Hello, in front of me I have UMIDIGI F2 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the safe mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. When this menu appears on the screen, press and hold on the power off option. Like that. The warning message will appear, you can read it and then tap OK to confirm. And as you can see, our device entered the safe mode. Right here it says so. And to exit this mode, just press and hold the power button again. Select restart. And wait until the device is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the safe mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.